Okay, so looking at number 26, number 26 here is 3 1/8 divided by 5 and 5/6. 3 1/8, 3 1/8 divided by 5 and 5/6. I just want to do this on the larger paper here so it's easier to see. Of course, the first thing I need to do is to change the mixed number into an improper fraction. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 1 is 25. So we have 25 over 8 divided by this. We're going to change this to an improper fraction. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 5 is 35. 35 over 6. Then when we're doing our division of fractions, 25 over 8, we're going to change to multiplication, and then we're going to flip this fraction up and down and end up with a 6 over 35. So now we have this multiplication problem, which looks much friendlier. We can talk about canceling now. We can talk about canceling. I see 25 and 35. We're going to divide by 5. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. Look at 6 and 8. We can't divide by 3, we can't divide by 6, but we can divide by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and now we can go ahead and multiply straight across. 5 times 3 is 15, and 4 times 7 is 28. And that is our first answer, 28. 15 over 28. Now number 27 says 4/5 of what number is 60? 4/5 of what number is 60? 4/5 of what number? 4/5 of what number is 60? Well, if 4/5 of this number is 60, that means the number has to be bigger than 60, right? So let's see. This means multiplication. So I have 4/5 times some number is equal to 60. And so what I can say is, aha, I can do 60 divided by 4/5 is going to tell me the answer. So I have 60 times 5 over 4, right? So 4 and 6, okay, 4 divided by 4 is 1. 60 divided by 4, 60, I'm a little trouble here. 60 divided by, so 4 divided by 4 is 1. 60 divided by 4 is 15. And 15 times 5 is equal to 75. So the answer to this question is at 75. 4/5 of 75 is 60. Now number 28. The word problem there, number 28. A carpenter needs 3½ yards of lumber, that's wood, to build a bookcase. How many bookcases can he build from 21 yards of lumber? That means if I have this much lumber, and each bookcase is 3½ yards and 3½ right, 3½ and 3½, well, that tells me that this is a problem for division. I have 21 yards of lumber, and I'm going to divide that lumber into pieces that are 3½ yards, right? So I'm going to do this on another piece of paper. 21 divided by 3½. I'm going to leave my 21 alone. Divided by, change my mixed number to an improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7 over 2. And then as I work on that, 21 over 1 times, I'm going to go ahead and flip it, times 2 over 7. 1 and 2, nothing I can do. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. And now I can answer that question. 3 times 2 is equal to 6 over 1, and that equals 6. And that means that with that lumber, I can make six bookcases. I can make 6 bookcases on that, with that piece there. All right. For a 7.5-hour day, Ed makes $90. Okay. For a 7.5 hour day, Ed makes $90. How much does he make for 1 hour? So his total divided by the hours is equal to 1 hour pay. 1 hour pay. So our total is $90 divided by 7.5 hours, and that's what we're looking for. So we'll do this here. $90 divided by 7.5 hours. So 90 divided by 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1, 15 over 2. That's the same as 90 times 2 over 15. Let's see, 1 and 2 can't do anything. 15, let's see, 15 divided by 1 is 15. 90 divided by 15, 90 divided by 15 is 6. So 15, I'll show you here, 15 times 6, 5 times 6 is 30, 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3 is 90. So that's 6. And now we can do our multiplication. 6 times 2 is 12 over 1, and that equals 12. That means he makes $12 an hour, $12 per hour.